A very good morning to you all, and welcome to Welk's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today I am come up with Tandoori Masala Powder. Tandoori is such a famous dish, and we need this. You can make it directly on the spot by using various powder, and but I would like to give you this recipe where you can make masala powder and keep ready for your use, and you can maximum use it. So please note down the first batch. What we need is Kashmiri chilies, around 35 of Kashmiri chilies and around 5 chilies of degi mirch. Okay, 5 of this and 35 of this, so total 40 chilies, red chilies. Then we have to, the second thing is what we need are 4 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Okay, then 2 tablespoon, 1 minute, yeah, kindly note, I'll go this way. So 4 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Then we need a pigeon pea around 3 tablespoon. Then we need 2 tablespoon of cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, that is caravan seed. Then we need around 2 stick of cinnamons. Then we need around 2 tablespoon of peppercorn, 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 5 of black cardamom, 1.5 of star anise, and we need around 3 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So these are the ingredients what you need to roast. Okay, so the first batch is this, roasting this separately for just for 5 minutes. Roasting means we try to take out the moisture. The same way we have to roast this, and when we get aroma we have to remove it out. And the third batch we need around half of nutmeg, a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried ginger, and 1 teaspoon of dried garlic powder. So this is ginger powder and this is garlic powder, and 10 of bay leaves. Okay, so please have a look this masalas. And now we will roast this, and then we have to grind this, such a simple way. So first thing, we will put this to roast. Now in this masala we have to roast this masala all together. Okay, no roasting required over here. This we will only mix when this both are powdered. So on low flame, not high flame, low flame, roast this very nicely. So here it is. And this masala you can use multiple for tandoori recipes, for different types of meat and also for your fish, prawns. And here it is. It's now roasted because I can get that aroma of fried chili. So now I will take out and let it get cool down before grinding it. All the spices what we are frying has to cool down before grinding. Now we will add all this. So pigeon peas also is a good one to add in this, so which we have added. And now we will roast this for few minutes. Again, as I say, till we get a nice aroma out of all the spices. We want to roast it and not fry it. Now if you are not getting Kashmiri chilies, that is this chilies, then you can use Kashmiri red chili powder too, which is available in all the supermarkets. Even coriander seeds if you are not getting, then you can same quantity you can add coriander powder, cumin powder, whatever. If you are it is not available and powder is available, then please you can add your powder also to this recipe. So I am getting the aroma. Yeah, so now it's almost done. So hope it is clear why we are roasting it, so that if any moisture is there, that will be taken away by roasting. So done. And now we will put off the gas and let it cool down before we grind this. So before that we will grind our chilies. So here is the grinder which is dry. So you have to use the dry grinder. So this is a powder ready. So now we'll take this separately. And now we will grind this. So we'll close this. So we grind this also now. And yes, it is done. So here is my other batch. So now we will mix this over here and this. And now we will add our third batch, that is the bay leaves. And a nutmeg, okay? Because the powder it doesn't need, we will mix it later. And we have to grind this. So here it is, my third bay leaves and nutmeg. And now we will mix this all together to this, that is salt, garlic powder and ginger powder. And we'll mix this all together nicely. And we will add a pinch of hing, a pinch. So it was a pinch. Mix this all nicely. And here is our Tandoori Masala powder is ready. Hope you have enjoyed this and hope you will make this at home and enjoy your tandoori different type. Okay, thank you so much for watching our channel. Please share it, comment on that and share it to your friends and dear ones and new ones. Thank you. We'll come again soon with something else. Thank you so much.